Find or read reviews that people are talking about Entcook Countertop Blender. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Entcook Countertop Blender. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 4 preset settings. This kitchen mixer has 360 degrees adjustable speed and 4 pre-programmed smart settings. No mixing and food prep work required, simple one-touch controls for smoothies, crushed ice, grinds, juices at the touch of a button. 70 ounces large capacity, thick, sturdy, BPA-free glass jar blender with a classic feel and advanced performance. Perfect for family meals, entertaining and advertising. The wall breaker is also an ideal gift choice for relatives or friends. Upgraded design, power switch, jog switch, 4 major functions of stepless speed control and automatic preset, overheating and overcurrent protection, power off when cup is lifted, and power off when lid is opened. Stainless steel material, easy to clean. Powerful blending, 1500 watt powerful motor with up to 25,000 RPM. The blender and food processor can easily blend, grind and 8 stainless steel blades are designed to stir food thoroughly and maximize the extraction of nutrients and vitamins from food. Wide range of uses, it can make crushed ice, smoothies, frozen desserts, soups, nuts, sauces, dips, milkshakes, and many other functions waiting for your various needs. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.